Hi YouTube, thanks for watching. This is nextsurvivor.com. The website will be prepared very soon. Today I want to introduce my assembled 2 phono equalizer, which is called SV-EQ1616D. This phono equalizer was designed by SUNVALLY Audio and released in 2020 this year. There are several features, for instance, variety of EQ, old EQ like NAB, Columbia curve and also SP curve before RAA start for the LP. And also there are several switches like stereo mono, gain control, and also for the cartridge MMMC control. They are fantastic for our environment, music listening environment. And I spent over 20 hours for the assemble from day 1 to day 5. For the next movie I would like to jump into the detail. Thanks for watching.